Keep that trade.
What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Josh, back with another video. And right now I'm on my way to Kroger to get me a money order because I gotta pay for this application fee to get my license transferred from Tennessee to Georgia. Like I said in previous videos, you guys, I live in ATL now and I'm about to get a shop. So if you guys are in the ATL area, hit your boy up. I'm about to drop my booking link soon. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at JoshXBarber. That's where I do a lot of my business as far as, like, you know, booking and scheduling and keeping up to date, you know, with what I'm doing. I'm about to start vlogging more on the channel, actually. I've been trying to get things in motion down here now that I'm in a new city. I've been able to kind of, you know, expand my horizon because I haven't been too busy. When I first moved down here, I kind of like chilled out for a minute. Wasn't too quick on getting in the shop. I also had to get my name around the city a little bit. Still going through that process, but you guys are going to see my journey while I'm in Atlanta, going from nothing to something, man. So you guys, I've been going around the city trying to find me a barber suite. I was going to do the barbershop thing. I kind of was dibbling and dabbling, trying to see exactly what I was going to do. If I was going to work in a barbershop or get a suite, I feel like it's only right for me to be, you know, able to cut people's hair down here, because I've been getting a lot of DMs from people asking me about, like, when I'm going to be booking, how do they get a haircut by me, a lot of people from ATL. So I think it was time, you know, to get everything in motion. I want to get a lot of new people on my channel, so I got a whole lot of dope tutorials coming up, man. Let me know what you guys want in the comments. Do y'all want some daily and weekly vlogs of my life? I'm going to be putting my lifestyle in there. I don't want to just stick strictly to barbering, even though that's going to be like one of the main topics of my channel. I want you guys to see my lifestyle around my barber business. I'm pretty sure most of you guys kind of, you know, get the vibe. Your boy genuine, man. I'm trying to really put out a positive message for people to help other people reach their potential and really, like, maximize their life and tap into, like, their higher self. It's one of my main goals. So I'm going to be dropping a barber academy course or program. I'm trying to put that together. I want to be able to help other barbers that's in the position I was when I first started and up and coming in the industry and just getting their name out there and being able to become that barber that they want to be. So if you guys need any assistance, like with your barber career, you know, if you guys are in school, like, really in my course I'm going to break down the whole journey from the beginning to like getting to the point where I'm at in my barber career, because I don't want to sound cocky or anything, but a lot of things I've done in the barber career in a matter of 5 or 6 years, it's been outstanding. I mean, some barbers, you know, they cut for a while before they even get to see some of the experiences I have just off cutting hair, you know, with clippers in my hand. But I believe anybody can do it, and especially today with this technology and social media, you can really market yourself and get your name out there and get around and get all type of opportunities in the industries. I've seen so much, and I've tapped into everything that I visualized that I wanted. And with me moving to Atlanta in a bigger city, more opportunity, I feel like I can really meet new people and get into new experiences and new opportunities, and hopefully, you know, that's what we do. And you guys are going to see the whole journey. I want to really show you guys where I'm going in my next step of life. I feel like I'm stepping into a new phase of my life, and things are not the same. You know, coming from my city, I was comfortable, booked up every day. I just got a lot of desire in my heart to really go to the next level and really be able to help other people achieve their goals in this industry. And I want to keep seeing myself progress in this industry, because there's really no limit in any career, any industry, man. There is no limit to where you can take it, and you want to push the limits. Why not tap in and see, like, what's the furthest you can take it? I'm in a new city, learning, growing, you know, definitely going through growing pains, man. It's a lot out here in this life, especially when things are like uncertain in your life. You just got to get close to God, have faith, and really trust in Him, and just follow your purpose, you know, find your passion. You just got to go out here and try stuff in the world. You don't want to be stuck. There's a reason why you have, like, a lot of desire in your heart, because the reason why you have all that desire in your heart to, you know, achieve great things is because God, He know He can do it for you, and He wants you to trust in Him and trust in yourself and believe and just have that tunnel vision and pull whatever is in your mind, pull whatever is out your heart and make it, you know, your reality, because dreams are true and you definitely can turn your dreams into reality. and I want to be that person that stands in the gap and really let people know it's really like that out here, for real. You can literally change your life around in a second and really just tap into your greatest your greatest version of you. And I want to show you guys my journey. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys been following me. I think I've been on YouTube for like the past 2.5, 3 years. I started in barber school, so I know I've kind of inspired a lot of people, motivated a lot of people, and you know, we're just getting started. If you guys are new to the channel and you're not subscribed, please make sure you guys go down and smash that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on, and make sure you guys leave a thumbs up or a comment on this video. I hope I inspired some people, you know, in my little rant. But I'm pulling up right here at Kroger, about to get this money order so I can get started down here in the big ATL. So I went in Kroger and the customer service was closed, so I couldn't get a money order. So now I'm about to have to drive like 10 minutes to another one on a different side of town. I actually went to UPS, man. I went out and actually got a notary public for the application at UPS and picked up the envelope, you know, to ship it off. And I didn't even go get a money order like right after, so I had to come back out. And now I'm doing all this driving, man. I don't even feel like doing it. But tomorrow, I'm going to look at a salon suite. Me and this other barber that I met down here in Atlanta, we're thinking about getting a double suite together. We'll see how things go. If not, I'll end up getting my own single suite. When you get a double suite, it's kind of cheaper. And that'll be dope, you know, especially for two like-minded people. So we'll just see how it goes. You guys, I don't know why, but like every other week it's a traffic light out down here, and we have to like play Blue's Clues when it comes to like who's gonna go next when we get to the traffic crossing. And it's kind of dangerous, man. It's crazy, but you know, we make it work, man. People down here drive crazy, so you gotta kind of drive for other people just like you drive for yourself. I do it anyways, but down here you can like you can literally like count on somebody to do something crazy in a situation where like somebody's about to like miss their exit or something. Hopefully this Kroger's customer service center isn't closed. Right now it's like 7:15, so it's kind of like late. I mean, it's not late for the store to close, but you know how sometimes those customer service areas kind of close earlier than the actual store closes. So hopefully it's still open. I don't know if I'm delusional right now and I'm going and I don't know that they close early, but we'll see when I get there. I'm the GOAT at parking, just in case y'all didn't know. Y'all, man, today must not be my day. Tell me why the second Kroger was closed that I went to. I was hoping that it wasn't closed, but it was, man. I didn't even get to walk up to the desk before I even heard that it was closed. This other guy was, I guess he was looking to get something done. He asked one of the workers, man, as soon as I walked in, is the customer service open? He said, no. You should have seen his face. We made the same exact face. So your boy took an L for the evening. I'm just doing it in the morning. We'll see how this journey go down here at ATL, man. So in the morning, I have 2 more meetings at these salon suites. One of them is called Synergy Suites. It's real popular down here. So I'm gonna check that spot out. And I got another spot called Sweet Life Salon Suites, I think. It's like in Buckhead. So, you know, that's why I have to get all my paperwork in order, because on their website, they said something about having like a cosmetology or barber license or whatever. But down here, I recognize that a lot of barbers, they don't have licenses. So people just be, you know, out here making money. You know, it's free game. It's a lot going on down here at ATL. But certain spots, they're going to be strict about it. Maybe because they've been hit by state board before. So I'm going to make sure I get my affairs in order so I can be legit out here, man. Got big things to do. So I'm about to go back to the crib, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. And if you guys aren't already subscribed, please go down and smash that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on. And make sure you guys leave a thumbs up on this video and leave a comment on what you think about the video, what y'all want to see next. It's your boy Josh, man. I'm coming back with some more bangers soon down here in ATL streets, man. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at JoshXBarber and on TikTok at JoshXBarber. You can find me at JoshXBarber on all socials. It's your boy Josh. Peace.